Good evening, viewers, and welcome to today's edition of the news. First, a look at the headlines. India taking the lead in shaping global future, says Prime Minister Narendra Modi. Prime Minister Narendra Modi honours fallen heroes on Police Commemoration Day. Kasi Students' Union pays homage to late Wycliffe's aim on the 36th death anniversary. And 38 teams are fighting for the top spot of the A10-a-side football tournament in Behal Bagan Bernihat. And now the news in detail. Prime Minister Narendra Modi has said that India is taking the lead in shaping the global future. He mentioned that the country is advancing on an unprecedented scale in all sectors. Addressing the World Summit organized by a private media outlet, the Prime Minister noted that while the world recognizes AI as artificial intelligence, India has a second AI, aspirational India. He added, when the world has mired in uncertainty, India emerged as a beacon of hope. Highlighting issues such as COVID-19, the global economy, inflation, unemployment, climate change and wars, Mr. Modi emphasized that global situations also impact India.
AI मिशन शुरू किया है। हेल्थ केयर हो, एजुकेशन हो, स्टार्टअप्स हो, भारत हर सेक्टर में एआई का उपयोग बढ़ा रहा है। हम दुनिया को भी बेहतर एआई सॉल्यूशंस देने में जुटे हैं। क्वाड के स्तर पर भी भारत ने कई सारे इनिशिएटिव लिए हैं। भारत दूसरे एआई यानी एस्पिरेशनल इंडिया को लेकर भी उतना ही गंभीर है।
Prime Minister Narendra Modi today honoured the bravery and sacrifice of the country's police personnel on Police Commemoration Day. In a social media post, he praised their unwavering dedication to ensuring the safety of the people. He said their exemplary courage and their determination. Mr. Modi also commended the proactive efforts and assistance of police personnel during humanitarian challenges. Home Minister Amit Shah bowed to the martyrs immortalized by their supreme sacrifice in the line of duty. The West Khasi Hills Police Department joined the nation in observing Police Commemoration Day, honouring the brave police officers who sacrificed their lives in the line of duty. A solemn tribute was held at the Superintendent of Police's office, attended by senior officials, family members of fallen officers and members of the community. A moment of silence was observed, followed by the laying of flowers in memory of the martyrs. A commemorative parade was also held to honour their sacrifice. Superintendent of Police Bikram D. Marak emphasized the significance of the day.
Their precious life in the line of duty in saving or safeguarding our nation. From Andhra Pradesh, Head Constable G. Narendra, Constable Billy Ganesh. From Arunachal Pradesh, Inspector Sochi Don.
Cabinet Minister Ampreen Lingdor commended the Voice of the People's Party VPP for its expansion into Garo Hills, asserting that political isolationism harms Meghalaya's progress. She emphasized the importance of inclusivity in politics and noted the electorate's role in evaluating party performance.
Then you talk about political divide. And political divide is not a very healthy debate to have. I, for one, would like to see that the state of Meghalaya operates as the state of Meghalaya. Any political party operating within the state of Meghalaya is authorized to do whatever it wants. If X party wants to expand its area of operation, nobody can stop it. It is illegal to stop anyone from expanding their area of operation. As far as I remember, there was a very unfortunate scenario during the MP elections which was not very healthy for the state of Meghalaya when political parties isolate themselves regionally.
Residents in Mauhati are rejoicing over funds approved for blacktopping roads, with work set to begin in November 2024. Local MLA Charles Marngar confirmed key projects that will improve connectivity for several villages, marking a significant infrastructure advancement.
Islam ya kejeng angnut jong pai ba ban pen urlong ya nu surok ban pen suk ya kelet kawan pen pau kejeng sokeman adu kata-kata ba hagni gesngi layo ban wan ba kontraktor ban sedang no ya kene kejeng trai sian ngin sedang no ban pen trai no nu surok hadu ban layo ban siang rong sendan.
Umshning village residents expressed frustration over the ongoing power outage lasting 5 months. In a meeting with the executive engineer of MEECL, they emphasized the urgency of the issue, leading to a commitment for resolution within 2 to 3 days.
Hadian natap ini senang beli permentapat ke don kam ya kena skor mentulekot lade ban kanu ka bentama kalai cingya babun te ai kule yo tu engineer mo ubalai simkhia hi menta wong ba yo ne customer mpha nahi menta sisngi asngi habaya dei batka umsni.
The Khasi Students' Union of West Khasi Hills District, along with leaders from the central body, commemorated the 36th death anniversary of Paim Wycliffe's aim. The young chief of Hima Nongstoin, known for his resistance against external control, is revered as a hero among the Hinyutre people. A gathering was held at the village of Sopian, where the KSU observed a moment of silence and laid wreaths at the memorial monument of Wycliffe's aim. KSU's chief, Lombok Star Marngar, emphasized Paim's Wycliffe's significance as a patriot.
Yung siya dan tiar siat, yung siya dan sulay, yung siya dan nakuli hindai, yung dan tang kajingim, bat kata kajingim rangkat bakas senam, nam tabar syakri, pas sop span, ya kitak mong jong kari bakas jahit berukway.
Don Bosco College, Tura, observed World Students' Day 2024 under the theme Students as Future Change Makers. The event highlighted students' achievements and concluded with a call for active engagement in social change and leadership roles. The Meghaplex 2024 philatelic exhibition, organised by Meghalaya Postal Division, showcased stamp collection and education. Inaugurated by Panyat Singh's aim, the event included competitions and workshops aimed at fostering youth interest in philately and cultural heritage.
Not only celebrates the art and history of philately, but also serve as a vibrant reflection of our culture, tradition, and the rich stories that stamps can tell.
The 10-a-side football tournament organised by Ride Nongkarla commenced today at the Dehal Bagan Sports Field in the Bernihat area. Featuring participation from 38 teams, this event aims to promote unity and engage youth from various villages. The tournament was inaugurated by Lingdo of Ride Nongkarla. With no entry fee, the tournament has attracted significant participation, kicking off with an opening match between Umling SC and Dehal AFC.
Kamla mapi baro, bapi simkia ya kaneka kam, but pinklet no ke basniu pinjit ya kababa, pinjit ya kasport kumulong mene kin pinklet ya ke basniu.
And now here is the weather report. The minimum temperature recorded is 14.8 degrees Celsius, while the maximum temperature was 23.4 degrees Celsius. Relative humidity in the morning was 80%, while in the evening it stood at 81%. The forecast: light to moderate rain is likely to occur at few places. And before we conclude, a look at the headlines once again. India taking the lead in shaping the global future, says Prime Minister Narendra Modi. Prime Minister Narendra Modi honours fallen heroes on Police Commemoration Day. Khasi Students' Union pays homage to late Wycliffe's aim on his 36th death anniversary. And 38 teams are fighting for the top spot in the 10-a-side football tournament in Dehal Bagan, Bernihat. And that's a wrap of today's edition of the news. Thank you very much for joining us. And from all of us here, it's wishing you good night.